If you guys want to see how I did this makeup look along with my hair, keep it locked.
Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe!
Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Trini Mom Beauty, Natural Beauty. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this makeup look and also how I did this hairdo. Now before I even start the video, I'm gonna ask you guys to please subscribe if you're a newcomer and you haven't been here with us before. Join the family, hit that subscribe button, and when you're finished hitting the subscribe button, hit that bell. It will notify you every single time I upload a new video. Now that we have that out of the way, I'm gonna ask my returning subscribers to hit that thumbs up button and also drop a comment on what your guys' day was. Like, did you have a good day? Did you have a bad day? You know, let's get to know each other. Let's get the conversation crack-a-lacking. Without further ado, let's get started. So this yellow shade from my Sacha palette. Now I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Modern Matte palette, and I'm going to be using this orange shade right here. I'm gonna use this same brush and dip a little of the yellow above like this. Just try to blend them in together. LA Girl Pro Primer in the shade Nude. My fingers, you know the drill. The last shade I'm going to use is this black from the palette. So I didn't want it too black, that's why I used a light primer. So now I'm looking like my boyfriend, me in the eye, right? Punch me in the eye, right? Like, Chris, why did you punch me in my eye?
Don't bring me into this.
Why? But you punched me in my eye, it's black.
Nope, you can't prove that.
So now I'm going to try to fix this by adding some more, going back with the blending brush, and some more of the orange shade. Alright, so I'm going back with some yellow over this and pull it together with my big brush. So now I'm going into my Marc Jacobs palette and I'm going to put the light shimmer shade to highlight my brow bone and right here. So now I'm going to apply my foundation, which is the Sacha Second Skin, and I believe my shade is Perfect Bronze. I already highlighted prior, so now I'm just applying the foundation all over the rest of my face, even the highlighted areas. Now I'm going to add my Sacha Buttercup. Now I'm going to use whatever black eyeshadow I have still remaining on this and just drag it below my eye like so. Now, so I put on some false lashes and yeah, now I'll be back. So as I think I told you, I put the black below here and then I put some orange below, and now I'm just brushing off my Sacha Buttercup. So now I'm going to contour with my matte brown eyeshadow from Arista. Our Cari Mia face powder in the shade Moca. So now I'm going to be using this cream highlight to tap it like so and then the other side, and I'm just gonna tap it like so. For the lips, I'm going with my Jordana Sweet Cream in the shade Morocco, and this is just a purple shade. It's not a brand name or anything like that. So yes, y'all, so this is a double whammy. Alright, so I had washed my hair, and I had two-strand twisted my hair last night, and I put these white perm rods in my hair, white jerry curl rods in my hair. Now if you guys want to see how I applied this into my hair, let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely shoot a full tutorial on how I did this. So guys, you all saw me taking out the curlers, so this is how it looks. This is how the hair looks after I took out the curlers. So I'm applying a shea butter mixture into my hair right now, and then I'm going to add some oil to my hair, my fingers, to unravel them. So now I'm going to untwist them because they are in twists. So now I'm using some oils that I mixed. This oil has coconut oil. It also has castor oil, and coconut oil, castor oil, and olive oil in this, and I'm applying it to the hair. I already untwisted one. Now I'm going to untwist the others. So to do so, I'm just sticking my finger down the middle and unraveling them. No matter what I do, it just springs back up. Alright, so now that I've taken out all of my twists, I'm going to do a little separation. So I'm sticking my finger here and here, sort of like that. Not too crazy, you know. Ends are gonna be curly, but the roots are gonna be all thick, right? So let me take my thick comb and use it like an afro comb, sticking it through. If you have an afro comb, use that, but I don't, so use what I got, right?
Well.
So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this piece of elastic, and I'm going to put it on my hair like so, straight around. Then I'm going to just do so, and I'm going to tie it at the back. So now I'm just going to make a knot at the back, right? Tighten it to how tight I want it to be. Make a knot. Like so. Nothing too crazy or fancy. I'm basically using what I have, right? And now I'm going to take the front and push it back. And I'm going to take the back and pull it up. That's basically what I'm going to be doing. Pushing up the back, pulling up the front. And as I reach up, I'm going to tighten my piece of elastic. So right now I'm tightening the elastic again and sticking it in. Now if you have the band to do it, use your band, but I don't. So I'm using what I have, right? And so now I'm just going to fluff it up using my hands. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I am really enjoying your company. You guys are amazing. Thank you all for all of the support. And I love to have you again. Please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment. And have a wonderful day. Trini Mom Beauty is out, guys. Bye.